Hey everyone! Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 6th, 2025, and we're going to be looking at the QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, focusing on both the news and the chart data to make informed trading decisions. The market is reacting to a few key headlines today. We see that the Musk-Trump feud seems to be cooling off, and futures are rising ahead of the May jobs report. The previous day saw a slide in the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq, partly driven by Tesla's dive following escalating tensions between Trump and Musk. Now, let's jump into the charts. Here we are looking at the QQQ daily chart, and we can see the recent price action. We see a consolidation happening the last few days here. Let's look back a few months. The daily chart shows a strong uptrend from the beginning of this year, 2025, with a significant pullback in early April. After that, the price has been recovering, trying to make new highs. Now let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. We will narrow the scope down to early May. Looking at the 1-hour chart, the volatility over the last few weeks is much more apparent. We can see several attempts to break above the 530 level, but each attempt has been met with a sell-off. Given the recent rejection at 530, a break below 520 is certainly a possibility in the short term. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for even more detail. Again, let's zoom into the start of May to get a closer look. Here we can see the day-to-day volatility. The volatility today has been wild, but the market recovered towards the end of the day. Remember the 10 a.m. rule, where you shouldn't make big moves before 10 a.m. to allow the market to stabilize. Given the current chart setup and recent news, here's what to watch for. A break above 533 would signal a strong bullish continuation, making new all-time highs very probable. However, if the price fails to hold above 520, we could see a test of the lower support levels, potentially down to 510. For a bullish scenario to remain likely, we need to see the QQQ hold above 525, as well as a positive jobs report today. Key levels to watch are 533 as resistance, 525 as short-term support, and 520 as longer-term support. Stay informed, trade wisely, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis. See you next time.